Good morning, everyone. This is Sage FT from the live trading desk. What we're going to do now is we're going to go over the review for the session of February 13th, 2025. It was a great one. Let's start back at 8 a.m. This is where we started the stream. And what our instructions were was we needed a draw on liquidity, right? Okay, so if we were waiting for a draw on liquidity, well, we knew that there was news at 8:30 and it was coming. So it was going to show us where the liquidity was hiding here. Okay, so then when they bought it, watch how this works. We see everything go into first position. We have to wait for the pullback. Okay. I took this long here. All right. So now it goes up into resistance, which was 87s, right? Watch how this works. We're waiting for a draw on liquidity. Watch, waiting for a draw on liquidity. Everything's starting to turn up on the 15-minute. It's starting to turn up. You don't see it yet right here. Okay. So then we go over one bar. All right. So now right here, it pumps to 82. But what I want to point out is notice that the 15-minute line on close doesn't come all the way down like the 2-minute does on the draw on liquidity. Look, see way down here? Watch the difference. See how we don't see that? Look, that's how the computers see it. So this was a draw on liquidity. So then now 77.75 is the draw on liquidity, right? Because think about it. There's a lot of computers that don't use all the noise inside of a candle, right? So if they don't use the noise of the candle, they just use line on close. What is the closing price? I don't care about the rest of it. They don't see this ominous dip to flush out all the weak players with some buy side lick. Let's watch. All right, we're starting to pay attention here because it's off of lower Keltner, which you can't see because I've turned them off because right now we're actually outside narrow range. All right, so then this is where it starts to heat up. This is where it starts to get spicy. We start to break here, and it kind of doesn't come back, right? So once we break this 84, 85, 87 was our next level, and they just take it to the moon. Okay, we get the, now watch, we get buy side lick, sell side lick, pull right back into the perfect pullback onto the 2-minute kiss chart with your 15-minute kiss chart starting to turn upwards, right? So then we're looking for longs only, 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 and longs only. Okay, that's going to do it. Folks, we're across all platforms now. We're expanding our reach even more. We're going to be on TikTok soon. We're going to be on Instagram soon. I believe I have an iPad that we're just going to put those two on, I think is what we're going to do, so they can be in a vertical format. And folks, we're just going to run on all streams. We're going to run on all live platforms. We're going to until every single person in the world watches us, because this is the real deal. As you can see, I am green. You can see I'm green across all accounts. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. All right, that's going to do it for me. I'll see everyone tomorrow, Friday, Valentine's Day. It is my 14th year anniversary of being in the business. I'm celebrating 14 years of showing my charts live for people, 14 years of showing people how to actually become profitable, giving them the tools to learn how to trade correctly. That's going to do it for me. Go ahead and smash that like button, hit the follow button, hit the share button, subscribe button, turn notification bells on, become a member on YouTube. We'll see you as a part of Team Green tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. live. Good night.